for me, critical decolonial anti-oppressive work has to always have some element of healing in embedded in it as a primary or central tenet. And the reason being is that we talk about intergenerational trauma imposed on certain groups of people for whatever reason: colonialism, patriarchy, transphobia, Islamophobia, homophobia, anti-Semitism, ageism. There's several network structures of oppression, that has created pain and that gets transmitted intergenerationally. So the antidote for pain is relief. So we cannot just critique these structures and be done with it. Healing can be used as a framework, like a theoretical framework. Healing can be used, healing ways of collecting data can be used as a part of your design. Healing can be used as a way of you seeing the people that you're working with and they see you and you affirm each other. And healing can be how you end up writing it, and then that becomes resonant with other people, and that creates healing as well. So there's lots of different ways to cultivate healing in your work in every stage of the research process. You have to buy into the fact that this has to be a primary agenda of the work, because critiquing harm is the start of the conversation, but that can be, extended further than just the critique.